we learned about the successes of bringing AI collaborations to clinical practice. However, because those were individual engagements, they were limited to some niche scenarios, and it was very hard at that time to measure the net benefits and the system-wide benefits of each individual use case that we had incorporated. So it was a very intentional and strategic move from our leadership and other experts in the field of AI in my department that we had to step up to an all-inclusive, across-the-board platform that would touch upon every corner of our department. And in my capacity as Vice Chair of Innovation, I also had the task of disseminating the culture of innovation and AI across the department. So having it only made sense to have a platform that would be tangible to every radiologist in the department all at once and would not be restricted to one or two use cases. So instead of developing, like Dr. Sharma said, from the PE standpoint, and then scaling that up and rolling out other use cases, we decided to do everything all at once. And like from day one, it was all turned off. Actually, not from day one, it was scaled, but from day one, the whole department had access to the same tools. And I would say that the benefits that we collected from that was that suddenly every radiologist in the department was AI literate and was able to discuss those complex concepts of AI that people think are only for a handful. Now everybody can discuss the simple things about AI in my department. The other point that played in our strategic decision in adopting a platform is that we also wanted, as radiology leaders and as leaders in a health system, right, to take a content ownership of the AI domain in radiology, because it is very common that vendors and startups, they appeal to other departments, other specialties, and say, hey, do you want your reports faster? Then you go and you buy this from us, and then you push your radiologist to do it without them knowing how does it affect the whole workflow, the value generation chain, and all that. So since we already had that experience up front in successfully deploying AI applications, that was the moment that we said, yes, we also need to plant the flag and say, hey, we need something that goes 360 around radiology to different use cases, interacting with different departments, different specialties, different lines of care, that would tell them, hey, radiology is about radiology first, and we understand what's inside the box. So it was also a very strategic move that was behind our decision to adopt a platform.